Hey, what are you doing? I don't know why that is on. The light was on for some reason. Kyanite. Yeah? What else happened? Sit. Sit. Oh, I'm gonna lie down. Okay. This cat is scared of a purple cone. It's not gonna hurt you. Go get it. Be brave. Go on. Go get it, Kyanite. What's wrong? Get it. How can it hurt you? Go. You gonna go get it? Look, Kyanite. Go get it. Be brave. Come on. What are you doing? What's up, buddy? Excuse me. You're on camera. This is how scary he is in the comb. What? Hi. Say something. Kyanite. Oh, there's Naveena. Hi, Naveena. Come here, kitty girl. Ready? Touch. Touch. We're touching. Touch, touch, touch. Good touch. Good girl. Naveena, who's walking by me. Naveena, sit. Show me you can do it. Naveena, look. Sit. Now she's going to be a butt because the camera's on. Thank you. Good girl. What a good sit. Thank you. That's Kyanite. Spread eagle. Naveena, say hi. Kyanite, did you want to say anything? Say something. Speak. You gonna speak? Kyanite, this is your big thing to talk to other cats. Say hello. Say hello. No, we don't want you to spread your legs. I don't know why. There's something about the comb that scares him. So I try to take it. I don't get it. See, look. Then if I do like a vibrating noise, watch. He's such a scared. What's wrong with you? Touch it. That's as close as he's gotten without being scared. I don't know, it's just him. My other cat doesn't care. So he's scared. Look, Naveena. Here, Naveena. It's like, oh, it's just a comb. What's wrong, Kyanite? Why are you scared? He's a scaredy cat. Gotta turn the light off. Kyanite, it's not gonna hurt you. Look. Get the comb. Kill it, Kyanite. Kill that comb. I don't know why he's so scared of it. Okay. Kyanite, say bye. Bye. Wanna say bye? What's Naveena? Naveena. There goes my little kitty girl. Say hi. Goodbye, Naveena. Goodbye. Some people say they can't tell them apart, but I can tell with the eyes. Naveena, look. Look. See her eyes? Now watch Kyanite. Kyanite, look. Look. His pupils are more round. Even if he was in the sunlight, he still has rounder pupils. Kyanite, look. Ew. Hi, buddy. Stop eating it. Goodbye. Yeah. Goodbye, Naveena. I love you. Oh, I'm coming.